Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D miniature of yourself or of your pet or of anything that you want. So you're going to paste this prompt. Using this model, create a 1/7 scale, 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the characters in the picture in a realistic style in a real environment. The figurine is placed on a computer desk. The figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base with no text on the base. The content on the computer screen is the ZBrush modeling process of this figurine. Next to the computer screen is a style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. The packaging features 2D flat illustrations. Paste it, insert your image, and this is what it should look like at the end. Super cute. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.